Hey there, I'm Heather.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So today we are here in historic St. Andrews.
My favorite.
I know, isn't it fantastic? I love historic St. Andrews because it's in Panama City, but it's one of the original spots from when the city became, and it's just quaint and wonderful. Right here, we're right in front of Uncle Ernie's, one of the local favorites. You've got to check it out. Let's talk more about this in a minute. What have we got today?
So we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. What I love most about it is the complex is super cozy and quaint, just like St. Andrews. It kind of just screams St. Andrews because of its cuteness.
Absolutely. You could walk right out of the apartment and right down the street. You don't need to get in a car. You can go to Los Angejitos. You can go across to Copper Tap. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Right here, Farmers Market on Saturdays.
On Saturday.
Yes.
Let's face it, the people that own businesses in St. Andrews actually live in our community.
Absolutely.
So it's beautiful to me.
Yes. You've got all of this water. They're going to be revitalizing the marina. The amazing restaurants we've already named, Alice's and some Thai basil. It's endless, all the activities you can do on foot right here in historic St. Andrews.
Yeah, so you can have as many mimosas as you want.
That's right. That's right.
If you'd like more information, don't forget to hit the property link below.
And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss any more properties. Talk to you later.